How are you feeling today after such a busy and tiring morning?
I'm feeling much better now because I had a relaxing lunch break.
What did you eat for breakfast today to start your morning strong?
I had eggs, toast, and fresh juice to keep myself energized.
Do you prefer coffee in the morning or tea in the evening?
I usually prefer coffee in the morning because it wakes me up.
Where do you currently live, and how long have you stayed there?
I live in New York City and I've stayed there for 5 years.
Are you working full-time now or still studying at the university?
I'm working full-time as a teacher and I really enjoy my job.
What time do you usually wake up every day during the weekdays?
I usually wake up around 6:30 a.m. so I can prepare for work.
Do you enjoy playing sports regularly, or do you just watch them?
I really enjoy playing soccer with my friends every weekend for fun.
How often do you go to the gym or do physical exercise weekly?
I exercise 3 times a week to stay fit and feel healthy.
Do you have any pets at home that you take care of?
Yes, I have a lovely dog that I care for every day.
What's your dog's name, and what do you usually feed him daily?
His name is Max, and I feed him healthy dog food every morning.
Do you like reading interesting books during your free time at home?
Yes, I love reading different kinds of books, especially motivational ones.
What's your favorite book that you always recommend to your friends?
My favorite book is The Alchemist because it inspires me every time.
Do you enjoy watching TV shows in the evening after a long day?
Yes, I like watching TV shows because they help me relax after work.
What's the most interesting TV show you've watched in recent months?
The most interesting TV show I've watched is Friends because it's hilarious.
Do you enjoy cooking meals for yourself, or do you order takeout?
I love cooking my own meals because it's healthier and more enjoyable.
What's your favorite food that you could eat almost every single day?
My favorite food is pizza, and I could honestly eat it every day.
Do you travel often to new places, or do you stay local mostly?
I don't travel very often, but I try to visit a new place once a year.
Which country would you love to visit if you had the opportunity?
I would love to visit Japan because I admire its culture and history.
Do you like shopping for clothes in stores or buying them online?
I prefer shopping online because it's easier and there are many options.
Where do you usually shop for your clothes and accessories every month?
I usually shop from popular online stores because they have great discounts and offers.
What is your favorite color that you wear most of the time?
My favorite color is blue because it makes me feel calm and confident.
Do you drive your own car, or do you prefer using public transport?
I drive my own car every day because it's more convenient for my schedule.
How often do you drive long distances for work or for leisure trips?
I usually drive long distances once a month when I visit my family.
Do you enjoy listening to music when you're relaxing at home?
Yes, I listen to music every evening because it helps me unwind completely.
What's your favorite song that you always play when you feel happy?
My favorite song is Shape of You because it always lifts my mood instantly.
Do you know how to play any musical instrument like guitar or piano?
Yes, I know how to play the guitar, and I've played it for years.
How long have you been learning and practicing the guitar until now?
I've been playing the guitar for about 3 years, and I still practice daily.
Do you enjoy dancing at parties, or do you feel shy about dancing?
I enjoy dancing at small parties, but I'm not very confident in big crowds.
Do you speak any other languages besides English in your daily life?
Yes, I speak a little Spanish because I learned it during my travels.
Do you enjoy learning new skills and improving yourself whenever possible?
Yes, I really enjoy learning new skills because it makes life more interesting and exciting.
What is the first thing you do after waking up every morning?
The first thing I do is drink water because it helps me feel refreshed.
Do you prefer exercising in the early morning or late in the evening?
I prefer exercising early in the morning because it gives me energy for the day.
How often do you listen to music while working on your projects?
I listen to music almost every day because it helps me concentrate and stay calm.
Do you like drinking tea or coffee when you are relaxing at home?
I like drinking coffee because it makes me feel more active and focused always.
What kind of weather do you enjoy the most throughout the entire year?
I enjoy sunny weather because it makes me feel happy and motivated to go outside.
Have you ever cooked a special dish for your family or your friends?
Yes, I cooked pasta for my family last weekend and they really loved it a lot.
Do you prefer reading books in the morning or before going to bed?
I prefer reading books before bed because it helps me relax and sleep well.
What is the most beautiful place you have visited in your entire life?
The most beautiful place I visited was the mountains because the view was breathtaking.
Do you usually go shopping alone or with your friends on the weekends?
I usually go shopping with my friends because it is more fun and enjoyable always.
How do you celebrate your birthday every year? And who do you invite always?
I celebrate with a small party and invite close friends and family for dinner.
What is your favorite mobile app that you use almost every single day?
My favorite app is Instagram because I like seeing photos and sharing my own too.